Hi, I'm dear friends. This is After Effects, and I'll show today how to cut your video in After Effects in the right way and how to remove the black empty areas that will occur. So, for example, let's import some video from my Explorer. So I did two left clicks of my mouse. This is my Explorer. Let's find something. Let it be one of my videos. This with Caterpillar. Okay, and I will drag and drop this my video over the new composition icon in order to create the new composition. So the new composition is created. If you click on Ctrl K, you can see that composition settings are set up. It has the name of your video, the length of your video, the ratio of your video, everything. Okay, so it will be like 27 seconds. Okay, it's good. Now, for example, you want to cut your video, you don't like some places, so you want to start your new video to start from this place. I'm clicking on Alt left bracket and it to end somewhere like here when the caterpillar starts climbing the apple. So click on Alt and right bracket. Now you see everything is okay, but your video still be 27 seconds, and at the very beginning you will have the black areas, then your new video will be like 18 minus 6, 12 seconds, and then black area again. In order to remove it, you have to change the duration of the composition. So let's drag and drop this slider to new beginning of the video, and that slider to the end of new video. Okay, and now I will do right click of my mouse over this area and see in the list trim comp to work area. That's it. Our new composition will be 12 seconds. And we have now those black empty areas. Thank you. Bye.